Okay, I'm gonna show you how to replace the cabin filter in a Jetta 2020. This one is the new one. So you open your glove box right here, and there's two taps, one here and another one here. You push that one up and you push down. There's another one. All right, you might need to pull it. Depends. There you go. Oh, didn't go too good. And then you put this one. The filter should be here, in this area. You pull the cover, and then you pull the filter. There's the filter, the old filter. And then you put the new one back where it belongs. And then you put the cover. Put the cover back. And the glove box, and then you put the little thingy here. This thing. Alright, put it back. This area. Push it back. And this thing has to be aligned with this area. Right. Thank you for watching.